This product was actually good, but almost nobody noticed it. The problem was not the product itself. The problem was the first impression. People decide fast. Before they understand quality, they react to the signal. If it does not catch attention, it never gets judged fairly. That is why packaging, contrast, and clarity matter so much. A product can be useful and still be ignored if the first impression is weak. Most people never reject a product after careful analysis. They reject it in a second, almost by instinct. That is why weak presentation can hide real quality. Attention comes before evaluation. If your product looks forgettable, people may never stay long enough to discover its value. So the real job is not only to make something good, it is to make people notice it.